Hi guys, this video is for people who are skeptical like me at first if you're gonna get the COVID-19 vaccine when you are pregnant or not. Ten, ten, ten. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video, yes, we just came back from a vaccination and we had our first dose of vaccine today. And it's perfectly safe for you to have your first dose, no, 2 dose of vaccine, because according to study, it's perfectly safe for pregnant women as well. Yes, and you heard me right, pregnant women. So they have this paper. They're gonna ask you some series of questions over here, and just to confirm if you, for instance, if you have a COVID positive before, or you have organ transplant, or blood thinning, or vaccination allergic reaction and stuff. So for today's video, it will gonna be our experience of what we did. It's quite fast actually. Within 30 minutes, you're done. So yeah, let's do it.
Second dose will be on 15th of August, 2 p.m. over here.
15 of yes. Okay.
Do you know it's a guy or girl?
Oh, I don't know yet. Oh my god. But I prefer boy. But I have a feeling, according to the heartbeat, it's 160. I think it's a girl. Okay lang. So it's healthy. Good to go.
3, 4, 4, 7, counter, lead, 16.
There's a lot of pregnant women who's doing the vaccine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yesterday we had one.
Oh, that's good. Oh, like nothing. Very good. I thought it was gonna be like.
4, 2, 8, counter, lead, 11.
After 1 hour.
3, 4, 3, 9, counter, lead, 2.
Take observation for 30 minutes. Comfort, just raise your hand immediately, yeah?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Wishing you the best.
Thank you. Ay, thank you. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
3, 2, 3, 6, counter, lead, 14. 3, 2, 3, 7, counter, lead, 13. 3, 2, 4, 7, counter, lead, 12. 3, 2, 3, 3, 11.
11. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Hello. Thank you. Oh, good afternoon. Okay. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi. 3233, please. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you need a
Yes,
paper?
just need everything.
Ah,
Thank you.
everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really good.
Ah,
Yeah, can you?
I might just check you because they told me to tell you that because I'm 17 weeks pregnant. But the first dose is everything's good.
Everything is
A little bit of
Pain,
numbness.
is it?
Numbness.
Oh, okay. Have you have talked to your doctor about it?
Yeah, okay. 2 days before the first dose.
2 days before. So then, second dose, have you go and talk to your doctor yet?
No, because my next appointment is in September now. For the scan.
Okay, I just, can I know your name first?
Sure.
Vaccine allergy?
No?
No. And how was your first dose? Except for the numbness, got any shortness of breath or chest pain?
No. My husband says second dose. But let's see what's the reaction lah.
Second dose, okay. It really depends on the person's body lah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
There are some of the colleagues says it's the third day. Some of them second day. Some of them they say they had a bit
Fever,
chill.
is it?
Yeah, fever. Some is okay lah.
If let's say you have fever, right? Don't worry about it lah. Okay, just take Panadol. Alright.
But even I can take. Oh, should be okay. One or two, just in case lah.
Just in case.
One or two.
I think just take one first.
Okay.
Every 6 hours lah. So don't take a lot.
Okay.
So one every 6 hours.
Every 6 hours.
17 is second trimester, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yes.
Second dose should be fine.
This is it.
No worries.
Okay.
Just breathe in and out.
Okay. I'm not into injection.
Injection, yeah. So it's fine. I understand. Many people are not also.
Okay.
Yeah, just be painful once you go in and after that, okay. Do you know if it's a boy or girl yet?
Oh, not yet. After 3 weeks, I don't know already if we're gonna open the legs or not.
Oh, I see. Okay.
This is it.
Don't see. Okay. So after 3 weeks, then are you going to plan a like party or
No lah, no need lah. Oh my god. That's a good one. Ooh. Okay. Okay.
No, you don't plan the party. No.
Do it. Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Which gender do you think?
Huh?
Which gender do you think?
Gender. According to the heartbeat, it's 160, so it's a girl. But according to my symptoms, I like savory stuff, so it's a boy. So I don't know leh.
Is it? Does it work that way?
I also don't know. And my mom says if I glow, then it's a specific gender, but I don't know if I glow or not.
You do. You look very glowy.
Okay.
Alright,
I hope lah.
No worries.
Okay. So should I give this to any of the nurses?
Yes, correct. So after this, I just head to observation. If let's say suddenly you feel breathless, weakness, dizziness, immediately raise your hand and let the nurse know.
Okay.
Alright, okay? Just go straight and turn.